All right, guys. So we got this sexy Chevy Silverado with a phone call. Anyways, what we got done on this beast, a dual exhaust. Not dual, single exhaust actually, 3-inch. But this is what under the motor. BTR cam, Circle D torque converter, stage 3, a lifter and valve springs, and then Speed Engineering long tube headers, then a high flow cat, and then a Holley Flow FX muffler, and 3-inch tailpipe. So we'll show you guys all that in a second. Right now, there's the long tube stainless steel, Speed Engineering stainless steel headers, there and there, long tubes. We didn't do any of this. Then it's got a Holley Flow FX by FLOWMASTer, right there. There'll be a link in the description for it. And then what we did is put a 3-inch tailpipe out the back. Right there, as you guys can see. We finished it off for him. Because before it was just dumped. I don't know where he threw the pipe at. But it was just dumped before. So that's what we did for him, 3-inch tailpipe. There's the Holley FLOWMASTer FX. And the long tube Speed Engineering long tube headers. Silverado LT. Just wait till you hear the cam. Go ahead. Ah, sexy. Go ahead. Again. 121. Again. That sounds sick. Again. What do you guys think? Let it idle. You see it shaking. I don't know if you guys can see it shaking. All right, got him backing up. It's not overly done, it's just clean. I love it, love it, love it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Yeah, it sounds sick. I like it. Enjoy, guys. Man, that sounds sick.